now you're working on your game, and you mentioned you have a full-time job. That sounds like it's quite a lot to combine. So how do you manage that?
Well, it's tough because I'm a husband, I'm a father, so it's a lot of time. It just, for me, it became as my way to spend free time. For example, you want to, it's like a meme, a question: do you want to develop a game or to play one?
Gotcha.
In my case, even if I really want to play something, I'm trying to convince myself that I just need to start. When I launched the project, let's say Unity, the editor, it's from that moment became like it's the same for me as playing the game. So it's actually interesting.
Makes a lot of sense.
I think if it was not like that interesting for me, I think it just won't work with having a full-time job, like a family, and so on. So